Alright, so yeah, he got his camera, I have my camera. So you should shoot another video. So
this one goes to 43.
And this goes to 42. So y'all, when we get home, hold it. Guys, when we get home, we're gonna be making time. So show yourself and I'll show myself.
So when we go home,
so
when we go home,
we make slime. We just bought the stuff from Dollar Tree.
No, we can't do this on the phone.
So yeah, hold this, guys. So we have. What you hand? Just hold it with one hand. With this hand, Kelly. Oh no, mind. So first thing we have. Come again. Is glue. Then we have.
I'm gonna drink it. You saw us on the hot noodle challenge?
Shaving cream. I should get it before you put it in. Then we have contact solution, a small box. I'm gonna open it and show y'all. So this is shaving cream. Come on, Killian. So this is the shaving cream.
You open it for?
I mean, this is a contact solution. And they have the, right here, but we're not using this. So, yeah. And also, we'll open it and show y'all how it looks. This is contact solution to form it. So, yeah, this is all the ingredients, guys. I know we're missing one more ingredient, and that is food coloring. We're going to get food coloring.
We got that at home already.
We have that at home already. So, yeah. So, it's my brother Turner. See all of it.
We had glue. But other kind of flag glue. Y'all know magic?
That's not magic because let's.
We got shaving cream. I might drink this shit.
Yeah, we have shaving cream.
And what else?
Contact solution.
Contact
solution. So yeah, when we get home, guys, we're gonna have all of these things. Let me tell you guys, this slime is this stuff is fun to play with at home. You didn't break it, you just opened it.